Guys, please check your audio and video settings. Everyone, please check your audio and video settings, guys. Everyone, please check your audio and video settings. Yes, boss. Yesterday I was talking about how to work with HB QBC. Today I have to deal with what, guys? JPA QBC, right? What's the advantage of JPA QBC, guys? What is the advantage of JPA QBC? This code is common in multiple ORM frameworks. But one thing can I say, in the process of making this code as common in multiple frameworks, he made bit complex, boss. They made things bit complex. JPA criteria, JPA criteria, or JPA QBC. JPA criteria or JPA QBC. Yeah. This QBC logic is common in all ORM frameworks. This QBC logic is common in all ORM frameworks. This QBC logic is common in all ORM frameworks, guys. Yeah, this is very common in all ORM frameworks. Introduced in Hibernate 4.x, but highlighted from Hibernate 5.3. Because from 5.3 onwards, traditional HQL QBC is deprecated here, highlighted from Hibernate 5.3. Because from Hibernate 5.3, traditional HQL QBC is deprecated. So that's why they have given this was the only one solution. Maybe in Hibernate for 6, they will remove this traditional KHB Hibernate QBC and they will allow only JPA QBC. But bit complex, boss. We have to be very careful in that. Yes. Procedure to work with this. Procedure to work with JPA QBC. Yeah, JPA QBC. Listen, I'll give the procedure later. First, we concentrate on developing one example, boss. Okay, what I do is copy paste 47 NO JPA QBC. What is that? JPA QBC. Right click, close project. What is our project? This is the project. Yes. See, boss, when you copy paste Maven project, no need of changing title of the project anywhere. Just copy paste, start working with that. No need of changing title of the project anywhere. Everyone getting my point? Yeah, looks a bit heavy, boss. You have to be very careful today. So I'm warning well in advance. Takes time to habituate. Once habituate, nothing is there. Takes time to habituate. So that's why I always keep the habit of reference code while developing these applications. So don't try to blindly develop on your own. Criteria test. JPA criteria test. Get to session object. Session SCS is equal to null. Session SCS is equal to null. Hibernate util dot get session. Hibernate util dot get session. Here is my try block. Here is my try block, boss. Literally, solidly, there is my try block. Okay, boss. Yes. Then what? Transaction as usually. Transaction TX is equal to null. Yes. If tell me here. If mm, if not, session dot get transaction is active. Is active. TX is equal to. See, if in the internet, see, boss, in the internet, everyone works with open session. That's why you don't see this code in the select operations. You don't see this code in the application. But in the real time, which is popular, guys, in real time, which is popular, guys, contextual contextual session is very popular. That's why for transaction beginning, this is the better code. This is the better code. Is there anyone who is attending Hibernate by working on Hibernate? Any guy, Satish Gowda, anyone else? Can you confirm which kind of session you are using in your company? Normal session or contextual session? I think no one is responding. Fine, leave it. Fine. I think still they didn't join, it seems. Okay. Yes, we are ready with this one, guys. After this, what next, guys? Now let us think about. mm, let us think about doing our job. Create criteria builder. Criteria builder is responsible to create criteria object. Criteria builder is responsible to create so many things, boss. It can create criteria query object, it can create condition objects, param objects, so many things it can create. It's a builder for many multiple things. It's a builder for multiple things. Create criteria builder object. Yes, first of all, criteria builder, criteria builder is equal to null. Criteria builder is equal to null. Okay. Builder is equal to session dot create criteria builder. Session dot create criteria builder. Session dot. Okay. Get criteria builder. Mistake is mine. Get criteria builder. Okay, guys. Get criteria builder. Fine, guys. Create criteria query object. What object? Criteria. 1 minute. Why I will write here? Because to make copy paste easy, better to do here only. Criteria builder. Nowadays I'm following this strategy, na? Okay. Criteria builder is equal to control plus shift plus O. Okay. Create criteria query object. Tell me next one. Criteria query is equal to template, boss. What is that? Right now I'm dealing with entity queries. I'm dealing with entity queries. What is our class here? Project. Executing entity query. CT query is equal to, what is equal to? CT query is equal to builder dot create criteria query. What is this? Create query. Create query. Understanding my statement? Yes, guys. Here, what is that? Project dot class. Project dot class. Control plus shift plus OK. Control plus shift plus O. Array, I want to say one more thing, boss. Both select and non-select operations are possible. Select and non-select operations are possible. HB QBC does not support select non-select operation, but JPA QBC supports what? Both select and non-select operations are possible. How can you say that much confidently, sir? You only observe when I call builder dot create, see, create criteria delete, criteria update, criteria query. Did you notice it? Criteria delete, criteria update objects are there. Criteria delete, criteria update objects are there. Did you notice that, guys? Okay. So that means delete and update operations are possible or not possible? HBQBC not possible, but here possible. HBQBC not possible, but here possible. Everyone understanding my statement? Okay, fine, right. Next one. Listen, boss. Listen. You have to select the base object, base. What operation you want to perform? You want to perform on all columns or specific columns? You have to specify that. Create root object specifying 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 column names, specifying all column names or specific column names. Okay, all column names means entity class you specify. All column names means just specify entity class, right? Root, tell me, root, yeah, all these are basically interfaces, boss. Root template class, what is that? Project, root is equal to, root is equal to builder dot, okay, builder dot, what is the method we are having? Select, builder dot select, okay, ct query dot from, sorry, okay, ct query dot from which class? Project dot class. Root object I created, boss. Create root object. Okay, okay, root object specifying entity class. Entity class, indirectly table name. Indirectly table name. Entity class is specified means indirectly table name or not. From which record should be selected. Okay. Add root object to criteria query object. Root object to criteria query object. Come on, guys. ct query dot select root. So perform select operation on this root like that. Okay, next, prepare query object. Prepare query object having ct query object. Prepare query object having ct query object. And it's a regular JPA query object, boss. Query is equal to query is equal to session dot create query. Earlier we have used this method to work with HQL query, but this time observe, I am passing create query object. This time I am passing ct query object, boss. Yeah, query is equal to query is equal to session dot create query ct query. Again we back to what? Earlier I used to write HQL query here, but now I am not writing HQL query. I am passing ct query object, which is constructed through objects, Fine, boss. Okay, execute JPA QBC. Execute JPA QBC. List project is equal to get result list. Get result list. Understanding my point there? Yes. process the result, list dot for each, list dot for each, system dot out colon println, system dot out colon println, end of the try block, catch, hibernate exception he dot print stack trace, he dot print stack trace, fine, he dot print stack trace, end of the story, boss. Okay, are headless, not headless, sorry, it is a hibernate exception, it is hibernate exception finally, finally close session factory. Yeah, close session factory. Sir, looking very easy. Array, right now basic select operation looks bit easy. Basic select operation book looks easy. So close session factory. When you start adding condition, your bend will come out. When you start adding conditions, your bend will come out. Parameters, conditions. Right. See, builder. Builder is based to create multiple things, boss. Okay. Let's see the source code of criteria builder. F3. Persistence 2.0. Okay. Node, what is that? Use it to construct criteria queries, compound selections, expressions, predicates, ordering. Everything will be created this by using criteria builder. Compound select means specific column queries. Expressions, nothing but parameters. Predicates, nothing but conditions. Orders, order by clause. All the things will be created by using criteria builder object. Okay. Note that predicate is used instead of what? Expression. Expression. Okay, that's a note only. Don't worry about that. In this APA, in order to work around the fact Java generics are not compatible with what? Varrox. Okay, they are giving some limitations of the technology. Don't worry about it. Okay. Yes. Ultimate conclusion is what? This one, boss. Criteria builder is given for this purpose. Okay. Next, come to this. Okay. Criteria query object F3. Criteria query. Interface defined functionality that is specific to top level queries. Top level query. That means what is which table? That one top level queries. Understanding my point. Okay. The type is defined result. What is expected result that you have to specify. This is also belongs to JPA version, boss. This also belongs to JPA version. Right. Root object F3. Root object. A root type of from class. From which table, from which domain class you want to get. Query roots always reference entities. Reference entity from which table, from which class, from which columns you want to get, that you have to specify. That you have to specify. A root type in the from class. From the class. Okay. And this is query object, boss. This is query object. Represent HQL JPL query or compiled criteria query, and also acts as the Hibernate extensions to JPA query or typed query contract. Hibernate's extension to JPA query or typed query contract. Okay. org.hibernate.query is deprecated as alternate and stated for removal in 6.0. That's why you should prefer working with what? org.hibernate.query.query. This is deprecated, but query.query is not deprecated. You know that. This is deprecated, but query.query is not deprecated. Understanding my point there? Okay. I hope you understood this point there or not. Yes, guys. So this is the query object and this is regular code and we are displaying the output. Let's run the application. Yeah, all the records of the table are coming or not coming. All the records of table are coming or not coming. I want reply. Yes. So this is the code that we have to write, guys. Copy this. First, we are concentrating on entity queries only. Procedure we will give later. Yes. Say paste. Okay. Executing entity query. Without conditions, we are executing, boss. Here, what is this? Criteria builder object. Criteria builder object is given to build what is that? Criteria query object. Next, what is that? Compound selections. What is that? Yeah, compound selections. What we studied in the documentation, I was just want to get it. F3 source code to construct, copy paste here, is given to construct this story. Okay, boss. Compound query and this one. Next one, what? Criteria query object. Criteria query object. What's the purpose of criteria query object, guys? F3. The criteria query interface define functionality that is specific to top level queries. Object defines the functionality. Object defines the functionality that is specific to top level queries. What queries, guys? Top level queries. That is specific to top level queries. Nice, guys. Next, what about the root object? Root object. What about the root object? Root object. F3. Root type in the from class. Query roots always reference to entities. From class, indirectly from class, yes. Okay. Root object defines a root type in the from class. Defines a root type in the from class. Root object defines a root type in from class. Query roots always to the references. Right. Okay, boss. Next. Okay, let me save this document. Hibernate here 915. Okay, October 9th. It is JPA QBC. What is this? JPA QBC. Query object represent HQL or JPQL queries, JPQL queries, comma, compiled criteria query, criteria, criteria query, comma, criteria, tell me, criteria update, comma, criteria delete objects. Criteria query, comma, criteria update, comma, criteria delete objects. Everyone got the clarity there or not? Yeah. Now listen. Builder to build everything, boss. Leave it. Criteria query. Criteria query object represents. Okay. Represents. Criteria query object represents what here? Root high level functionalities. On which class, on what result type you want to get, those things will be mentioning. Fine. That means this will basically ready for query generation, boss. And root object tell from which columns, from which class, which table we want to get the records, that one. So that root is added to query, criteria query object. So using criteria query object, regular query object is created and executed. We got the result and we displayed the result. I hope you settled a little bit. Settled or not settled? Are you there, guys? Builder ready to build everything. Right now I'm using builder to prepare criteria query object. Okay, it actually prepare basic query, boss. But that basic query select operation, from where it has to be selected, from class task will be defined by root object. From task is defined by what object? Root object. Understanding my point? Root object. And that root object is added to query object, CT query object. Getting my point? So indirectly what happens? CT query is telling that select star from project related table. Indirectly select star from project. Select star from project. Okay. Criteria query object. I'm ready to prepare the query. But from where record should be gathered will be decided by root object. Will be decided by root object. Understanding my statement? Okay. Right. And that query criteria query object is given to query execution and output is coming. So right now I want to apply conditions, boss. What conditions? Project ID greater than or equal to some number and project ID less than or equal to some number. This is my next requirement. This is my next requirement of my application. Okay. Comment this stuff. Copy this stuff. Also comment, also copy. Comment this stuff and copy this stuff. Executing entity query with conditions. With conditions. Okay. Up to this ready. Okay. Up to this ready, boss. Now you have to define parameters. How many parameters you want to work with, boss? 2 parameters you want to work. How many parameters? 2 parameters. First you have to define parameters and you have to link those parameters while creating conditions. Here condition means predicates. Condition means predicates. Okay. Now listen. create parameters, parameter expression, parameter expression. Okay. What is the parameter type, guys? Integer. Param1 is equal builder dot, builder dot, builder dot, builder dot, builder dot. My API also gone. Builder dot parameter. What is this? Builder dot parameter. Okay. Builder dot parameter. What is the type here? Integer dot class. Parameter expression param2. Builder dot parameter integer dot class. Parameters are created. Okay. Next. Create predicate objects. What objects? Predicate objects. Predicate object representing conditions, representing conditions and specifying parameters, specifying parameters. Again builder comes into picture, boss. Again builder comes into picture. Predicate. What is this? Predicate PDC1. Predicate PDC1. Builder dot, builder dot, builder dot, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Come on, guys. Come on. On which property? Root dot get. On which property? Root dot get. Root dot get. Are you understanding my point? Pros ID. Root dot get. Array root is representing total project class. From there, I want to get pros ID. Okay, I want to link with what? Param1. Whatever value I set in param1 will become this condition value, will become indirectly what happened, you know? Indirectly what happened, you know? One condition has come. What is that condition? Okay, okay, where pros ID greater than or equal to question mark. Pros ID greater than or equal to question mark. Understood, guys? In fact, where also not came. Only pros ID greater than or equal to question mark came. PDC2 pros ID less than or equal to question mark. Less than or equal to question mark. Again, see, builder only used to create parameter, builder only to create conditions. Condition means predicates. Predicates. Array pros ID is not data type. Pros ID is the column name, guys. Here pros ID is the column name. Root object. From root object I am gathering. Okay. Yes, guys. But I want to apply end class between them. I want to apply end class between them. Okay. Predicate final condition is equal to builder dot end expression. Builder dot end. There is a varargs here. Varargs. PDC1 comma PDC2. PDC1 comma PDC2. Array param1, param2 are not condition. They are just parameters saying that values will come here future. Like they are question marks, boss. They are question marks. Okay, now tell me this final condition. What condition? This final condition is preparing end class between them. So ultimately what happened? Pros ID greater than or equal to question mark and pros ID less than or equal to question mark. Pros ID greater than or equal to question mark and pros ID not where, still where class has not come. Only that has come. Create predicate objects and representing conditions and specifying parameters. Okay, boss. Add predicate objects to predicate objects to predicate objects to criteria query object. Criteria query object. Criteria query object. See, ct query dot where final condition. Okay, ct query dot add final condition. Sorry, is not add where final condition. Add predicate object to criteria query object. Okay, as where clause condition. Where clause condition. Understanding my statement, guys? Simply as where clause condition. Simply as where clause condition. ct query dot where final condition. ct query dot add final condition. Okay, fine, boss. Okay, set query parameter values. We have to set query parameter values. ct query dot parameters is not there. Okay, ayo. Parameters we have to set after adding to query object only. Sorry, guys. Yes. Okay. Now listen. Not here. Okay. Now I want to. Anyhow, we are adding now. Create order objects. Create order object. Create order object. Come on, boy. Yeah, that's what I said. Order is equal to. Array, there is no order. Order. Yes, order. Okay. Order is equal to builder dot. I said lengthy process means builder dot order is equal to builder dot order by okay, no, that not that one. Okay, builder dot directly descending order, not order by, boss. Directly descending order. Builder dot descending ascending. Okay, you have to write expression. Expression means root dot get. Yes, lengthy project. Lengthy process. Yes, I too agree that. That's why I mentally prepared you people. Create order object. Okay, nice. Add order object to. This will give what here? This will give what? Achha, because of this, what happens? 1 minute. Because of this, what happens? Where paste. Where paste has come. Next. Because of this, what happens? Order by pros name descending order. Order by process name descending order. This one will work. Right, guys. Add order object to what object? CT query object. I mean to say criteria query object. Yeah, criteria query object. CT query dot. Yeah, maybe in future they will simplify here, but as of now, no option. CT query dot. CT query dot. Order by order. Order by order. Hmm. This much angama means will be there because this is common in all ORM frameworks. Na, with angama is there. Yes, prepare query object having criteria query object. Okay. Next, before executing, set query param values. Query dot set parameter position. Okay, right. No position. No position. No. No position. We have param 1, param 2. Okay, we will give query dot set position. Okay, we will see other overloaded form. Set parameter. We have a second one. Check it out. Param mode is there. Okay. Param 1 comma. Param 1 comma. Array, what is this? 1000 is there. Okay, 1000. Query dot set parameter 2000. 2000. Otherwise, do one thing. Otherwise, do one thing. 121, okay, fine. We got some records here. 1000, 2000. Execute JPA QBC logic. Done. Yes. Okay. Param 1, param 2. Mistake is mine. Wait. This is param 2. Oh, still error. Still error. Class cast exception. Integer cannot be casted too long. I too agree that because in the entire entity class we have taken it as a long. In entity class we have taken it as a long na guys. Long. Here also what should I take? Long. Here also what should I take? Long. Okay, no problem. No problem. Here L. Here L. Satisfying this only one record is there. Satisfying this between 1000 2000 only one record is there. Check it out guys. Greater than, less than, end class, order by, everything is coming or not. Hangama is bit here. I to agree that but hangama is there. Settled or not settled. Now put together you will understand. Put together. Builder is ready. Yeah, so much hangama is there. What to do? That's why it has become independent of all ORM frameworks now, guys. Otherwise, how does it becomes? Yeah, now it is complex here, but in future they may simplify. Right now it's bit complex. Right. Right. Builder is there. It is based to create multiple things using this parameter, order objects, predicate objects, expression objects. Come on. Okay, query object. Everything can be created by using this. It's a builder for everything. Yeah, these two things says from operation should happen on project class related project table and we are expecting result in the form of project class, in the form of project class objects. These two things, these three lines, in fact, these three lines states, okay, select operation should happen on project class related project table. Project table. Come on, guys. Right. After that, what next? After that, sir, one and the same, na, sir. Pappu Bobby has given his statement in a single line. I have written in multiple lines. You have given in a single line. I have given in multiple lines. Check it out. Cr dot select root dot where dot cb dot end greater than price chair items. So I have you have given in a single line. I have given in multiple lines. One and the same, guys. Okay. He has used method chaining. Right. I will give that style also. Wait. Then I'm defining parameters, guys. Okay. I'm defining parameters. After that, what? Conditions are defined. What is defined, guys? Conditions are defined. Conditions are defined. Are you getting my point? Conditions are defined, linking with parameters. By combining two conditions, single condition is prepared. Right. Then what is this? Ct dot query where? Ct dot query where? Are you understanding my point? Ct dot query where class condition has come. Next order object is created, guys. And now everything is added to query object, specifying the query parameters, executing, and output has come. I think second time it is looking bit good. Second time it is looking bit good. Second time it is looking good. Aisa no na? Okay. So this is how we have to define everything, guys. Right? So let me check whether I can use let me try whether I can simplify this code by using method chaining. Whether I can simplify this code by using what? Method chaining. Right? Okay, let me comment this. Let me comment this. Because all methods are returning criteria builder object. Na? That's why let me try. Up to this, I am taking as it is. Let me try. I may get failure, but since people are speaking bit heavy, let me try whether is there any possibility of making simplification. Right. Fine. CT. Okay. What is that? What dot select query we got? What dot select query we got? CT query dot select. CT query dot select. CT query dot select. What we are passing, boss? No. CT select dot query is there, but there I am looking to pass what? Multiple conditions. Method chaining I want to use. What is that? Method chaining I want to use. Okay. ct query dot select of root dot where because instead of writing in multiple lines, guys, okay, dot where class conditions, right? Hmm. builder dot end builder dot end dot where builder dot end. Here we have to pass predicates. We have to pass predicates. Builder dot end. Next, builder dot builder dot what's happening, guys? Builder dot Array, why it is not coming? Builder dot builder.end expects what? Two predicate objects. How to create those predicate objects? First of all, let me focus on it. How to create those predicate objects, guys? Builder dot g builder dot g come on, builder dot g root dot. Okay, I'm trying to give through method chaining, boss. All these method returns criteria builder object. I'm trying to give in a single line. Root dot get pros ID. Root dot get pros ID, comma. Okay, root dot get pros ID, comma. Pros ID, comma. Is there any chance of writing parameters, guys? Is there any chance of writing parameter? Here I have to pass param. Okay, param. Okay, builder dot array builder dot. Okay, 1 minute. I'll try like this. Pros ID. That's nice. And comma and comma. 1 minute. Let me differentiate everything. Where is okay? That's fine. Okay. Where is okay? Builder dot end. First one is predicate object. First one is what? Predicate object. Why red? G is giving red color. Oh, we have to pass add match to argument expression extends number means I will give one or other value. What is the value, boss? Directly I will give the value. How to give direct value, boss? Greater than or equal to 1000. Okay, let it be. Next, that is over. First parameter build end. First parameter is over, right? uh, Next, builder dot ge, this one L I will pass. To pass it as a long value, I will pass L. Copy this, paste it. 2000 I am passing. 2000 I am passing. That's nice. Okay. Next one. Next one. Where is already added? This is already added. Okay. Today I don't want any where class. Tell me number of brackets now, guys. Number of brackets. Your how many? This is open close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One is closed. One is closed. Bit complex, guys. Yes. Now you observe everything I am writing in a single line, nothing else. Everything I am writing in a single line. Are you getting my point? Yes, this is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. I am directly putting values. I am directly putting values. No parameters are defined. Now tell me, ct dot query select root. This where builder dot end first condition less than, second condition this is greater than, this is less than, and both are combined into end class. Both are combined into end class. Yeah, because of this, what happened? Instead of 4-5 lines of code, we have written in a single line. Okay. So here select onwards now. Select is where here. Select is where here. Select onwards. These many lines of code we have written, these many lines of code we have written by using single line. Okay, 68 to 77 we have written in a single line. Convinced or not? That's why I have not given this direct code. If I give this direct code, I know you will confuse. That's why I have not given direct code. Fine. Okay. Now you want to have a order by? I can do order by also. You want to have a order by? Okay. Where is order by story now? Order by. Builder dot order by. Okay. Dot. Dot. Where class dot. Here what is this? Dot order by. Order by. Tell me. Builder dot ascending order or descending order. Okay. Pros name. Pros name. Method chaining, boss, nothing else. I'm just enjoying method chaining. Ascending order or descending order. Builder dot descending. Okay, not directly. Root dot get. Root dot get pros name. Method chaining, nothing else happening. So here I will give 500. Here I will give 2000. Nice. So we are ready with the CT query, guys. Once we got CT query, prepare query object. Okay. See, I don't know. Number of lines are reduced, but how much you understood, I don't know. Since someone asked, I am giving this. Query is equal to. Query is equal to. Tell me. But without that knowledge, we cannot write. Without that knowledge, we cannot write this. Fine. Okay. Query is equal to. Only param 2 I created. I have directly. No, sir. Param 2 not required. I directly hard coded the values. I directly hard code. Two versions are there. Directly I can hard code and otherwise I can go for it. Query 2 is equal to. Tell me. Session dot create query. Session dot create query CT query. Since right now no parameters, guys, I can directly execute JPA QBC. Execute JPA QBC. Tell me, list project is equal to query dot get result list. Process result. Yes, list dot for each. List dot for each. Tell me. System dot out colon println System out colon println. Yes, fine. End of the try block. Catch this. End of the main method, end of the class. Fine. JPA criteria test. Only one record. Between 500 2000 also one record. 1 minute, guys. Output is coming 100 and 100 and 2000 I will take. Yes. See, descending order. OpenFX, MX, Amir price. OpenFX, OpenFX. MX, Amir price. Is coming or not coming? Right. Mission success. Fine. Whatever you think. Instead of writing in multiple lines, we are writing in a single line. But you can feel it. You can definitely feel it, boss. This is from class on project. From class on project. I want to perform select operation where okay, first greater than, then less than, between them end. Between them end. If it is a single condition, this would be this much complex. But right now multiple conditions are there, na, it looking bit complex, nothing else. Which is good, yeah. Which is good, previous one or this one? It's up to you. Same as select star from EMP where where pros ID greater than or equal to 100 and pros ID less than or equal to 2000, order by pros name descending, order by pros name descending. Overall that query comes, nothing will happen. Whatever you feel comfortable, take it and use it. I don't have any problem. So, but here we have seen the method chaining concept like anything, boss. Using method chaining. What is this code? Using method chaining concept. Above code. Using method chaining. Above code using method chaining concept. No doubt complexity is there. Actually, Pappu Babu is learning Hibernate second time. I can say that. Okay. Right, guys. I hope you got a clarity there. But I thought this will be complex here. That's why I have not given. But someone asked, I have done that. Shall we see one more example? This time, not bigger one, smaller thing we will take, because things feels are in class. I want to apply in class condition. I want to apply. What class? In class. In project location in Hyderabad or Delhi. Two locations only. In class condition I want to apply. Shall we? Okay, there also I want to have order by pros name only, but I want to apply in class condition. So then we'll move to scalar queries. Once that is over, we'll move to scal. I'll spend some amount of time. It's not like that. I don't rush, boss. Tomorrow also we'll spend time on it. Okay, slowly we will learn, because this is future. HB QBC is not a future. HB QBC they may remove from Hibernate 6 also. Yes, guys. Builder, create query object. Create query object. Let me try. Is there any possibility of using method chaining here itself? Create criteria query object uh, dot 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 from what is this project dot class dot from project dot class. Wait. No, I want to change. I want to change this one to single line. A root object I don't want to highlight separately. That is my intention, guys. Root object I don't want to create this one. Okay. Now listen. This root object story is there na. This root object story is there now, guys. We created root object, that's fine. ct query dot from. I just want to simplify further. ct query dot from project dot class. ct query dot from project dot class. Yes, that's a basic story has come. Dot where where restriction. Understanding my statement, guys? Restriction. Where restriction? Huh? Where is the restriction? Builder dot in. Builder dot in. Got it? Builder dot in. Super, guys. Next. Oh, there is no option of root. If root object is not there, problem, guys. If root object is not there with us, every time I cannot write dot get. 1 minute. If root object is not there, it's very tough. I will create root object normally only. I will pass root only. I will pass root only, create root object because root object. Why, sir? If root object is not there, whenever I want to get individual properties, it will be problem. Shortcut is good, but sometimes you have to worry about this also. Root project, root is equal to ct query dot from project dot class. I'll keep root with me. Okay. Where builder dot in builder dot in root dot get location root dot get location root dot get location. Okay, here only we have to pass the values. Builder dot in root dot get location. Here only we have to pass values. Hyderabad, Delhi, this kind of thing. What is this? Right. Remove arguments to match. Expression T. Oh, then how to pass this one, guys? How to pass this one, guys? In class. For greater than they have given, but in class, how to pass input values? Right. 1 minute. What is the one it is expecting, guys? builder dot in expression. What is this? T extent expression in. Okay, it is not providing any option. Listen, we are stuck somewhere. It is not expecting second, third parameters. It is asking to pass directly. In the in class only, it is asking to pass details. Did you notice this, guys? In class, see how many are parameters it is expecting. Builder dot in class only one. But if it is only one, I can get the property name. There is no provision to get other things, right? So now we have to do some R&D from the internet, guys. Why? Because in GE they have given two parameter, LE they have given two parameter, but in class they are giving only one parameter. But in if I pass only one parameter, come on, see this, creates predicate test where given expression is contained in list of values. Given expression contained in what? List of values. My the question is expression to be tested against list of values. How to pass those list of values? That's the question. How to provide that list of values? That's the question. Understanding my point? Okay, boss. Expression object is there. How to, no, we have to pass collection of values. But how to pass those list of values? That's the question. So 1 minute. What I do is I will go to criteria builder. What here? Criteria builder. Criteria builder docs. I know list of boss, but one parameter is there. I have to pass property name. I hope you are understanding the problem there. I have to pass property name. At the same time, I have to give list of values. In class, where is in class? Where is IN? In class. Now listen. Criteria builder dot in. Criteria builder dot in. This is the method. This is the method. Expression T. Expression T. Create predicate to test whether given expression is contained in list of values. Contained in list of values. My question is, in one parameter, how to pass those list of values? I hope you are understanding my point. In one parameter, because it is asking me to pass how many parameters? One. But there only we have to pass expression. There only have to pass what? Input value. That's a big challenge or not? That's a big challenge. See, look at the previous one. First, understand the situation. So look at the previous one. G is having two parameters. First parameter is expression. Second parameter is value. The LE is having two parameters. First parameter is expression. Second parameter is what? Value. But here what? They have given one parameter and they are asking us to work with what here? They are asking us to work with what? Condition and expression, values and expression. So don't worry, we will inspire from internet and we get it. Criteria builder dot in method example. Criteria method dot in method example. Criteria method dot in method example. Okay. See, get title. See, where get title dot in. Dot in, then you have to pass the things. Don't worry. Dot in, then you have to pass the things. Okay, I'm inspired here. Yeah, root dot get. What is that property? Location. Root dot get location. Super. Tell me now. Dot. What is this? Dot in. Root dot get location dot in. Here object values. What are the values? Hyderabad, Delhi, Vizag. I think you got it. I think you got it. Okay. Open, closing. Then two opens are there, closing. Yeah. When your brain is not giving idea, just take one reference example. Just take one reference example. Everyone understood this point? Once again, see this. Once again, open, closing. Two more openings are there. In fact, two more openings are there. Yes, guys. Tell me here what happened. Root builder dot in, root dot get in root dot get location dot in Hyderabad comma Delhi comma this one. Hyderabad comma Delhi comma this one. Okay, boss. After that, what is the next story, guys? What is the next story? Now you want to apply order by. Why red color, guys? Why red color? Remove one more one. Now let me check. Open, closing, over. Total 3 open, 1 closed, 4 open. 4 open means 4 should be closed, boss. Four should be closed. I think 3 should be closed. Yes, over. Total 4 opened, but 1 is closed here itself. So remaining 3 things you should be closed there. Come on, guys. Enjoyed. We thought that in the in here only we have to pass. No, this get is returning one more in object. In that in object, you have to pass the collection. Sir, I want to have order by also. I want to have order by also. I want to have order by also. Tell me. What is this? Order by. Order by. Tell me. Builder dot. Builder dot. Descending. Builder dot descending. Root dot get. Root dot get. Pros name. Root dot get pros name. Still settled or not settled, guys? Now, this is regular now. Query object regular. So nice. Over. Right. We'll take one more example. Don't worry. I will give one more example. But I want you people to see settling down. What's the error? Unexpected token in. What's happening, guys? Illegal argument, query syntax exception, unexpected token. 1 minute. There is no need of in here. I will put dot inspire from here, where root dot title in. That's enough. Root dot title in. Straight away here in I don't take. Root dot title in. Expression dot this one. Overall it will give that expression. This property overall this will give that expression, boss. That's fine. 2 times in is not required. 1 time in is enough. Yes, I'm just taking this requirement dynamically, guys. See this, where project dot location dot in 3 question marks, and we are getting the records belongs to Hyderabad, Delhi, Hyderabad. Vizag, no records are there. That's why descending order also they are coming. Everyone got it? Takes time, but once you settled, you will enjoy like anything. Once you settled, you will enjoy like anything. Right now, I'm just dealing with entity queries, boss. Right now, I'm dealing with what? Entity queries. What queries? Entity queries. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Okay, this time, like class I want to apply. I want to get those project details whose team size is between whose team size is between 10 to 20, and whose pros name starts with O. Whose pros name starts with O. Two conditions totally. No order by this time. I don't want to have any order by. Up to this, right, boss? Up to this, copy paste. Up to this, copy paste. And last part is also there. Copy paste. Up to this, copy paste. Last part also copy paste. Right. In the middle is the story. Entire story is there in the middle. Like I want to apply, between I want to apply. Two things I want to apply. Now tell me here. Where is this? Where is this? Prepare conditions. CT query dot. CT query dot. Select. CT query dot select. CT query dot select. Tell me. Inspire previous one. Say CT equal select route, where select where. Yeah, these are waste things sometimes. Okay. Where now tell me here, where builder dot between is there na. Between is there, check it out. First expression, second expression, total two expressions are there. Did you observe that? Or we have one more way is there. What is one more way? Between expression, first value, second value, it's up to you. I'm taking second version. Between expression, what is that? Root dot. What is that? Root dot get team size. Root dot get team size. Come on, guys. Root dot get team size. Team size 10 comma 20. Team size 10 comma 20. How many are open? 2 or 3 are open, 3 are closed. Dot next. Okay, these will come like this only. Go to next line. Dot like. Array, second condition na guys. I have to add second condition. Understanding my point? Dot like. Array, like is not there. Then what is there? If like is not there, how guys? How we can work with like? If like is not there, acha, we have to apply end clause. Super, good, got it. Dot end. Acha, where is closed? Sorry, mistake. Where should not be closed? Where is still go on? Where should go on? Now you try for like. Still like is not coming. Where is going on? Where is going on? Right, dot in. I want to have. Achha, in the starting, I should add builder dot end. Straight away, I cannot add one more object. I'm just thinking, and 1 minute. I got the idea. Builder dot end should be used. Like is not coming here. Okay, no option. So go to what here? Starting. What is this? Builder dot. What dot here? Builder dot end. Builder dot end. Between is over. Between is over. Next. Builder dot like. Builder dot end between is over. Builder dot like. Builder dot like. Fine. What is the expression, guys? What is, I think I explained it in one more angle, boss. Nothing but root dot get. Root dot get. What is the other one we are looking for? Pros name. Root dot get pros name. What is the other one we are looking for? O star. O star. Yes. Next, air is over. Where is over? O star. I think to one more bracket. Easier. Easier, guys. I thought of, okay, without end, I thought of showing two things back to back. Somehow it is not allowing. That's why builder dot end beginning. First builder object, second builder object. Builder dot end beginning, first builder object, second builder object. This is first builder object. This is second builder object. This is the end of the where. And this is the end of the end. This is the end of the end. Now it will looks very clear. Check it out. Select open, closing, leave it. Where opening and closing, end opening and closing, builder between opening and closing, builder like opening and closing. Come on, guys. At least now you should say I settled, sir. Come on, guys. Still feeling heavy? Still feeling heavy or simplified? I want everyone should reply in the chat box. Life is simplified after seeing 4-5 example. I don't say I'm saying dead easy. I'm not saying it's a dead easy, but if you know method chaining, you can enjoy a little bit. It's a purely method chaining, but without giving first example, if I explain all the things, you will feel you never understand what's happening. See here, this gives this gives builder object gives yeah, we have to think query in mind and you have to know method chaining. Both you have to keep in brain. First keep query in brain here. First keep in query in brain. Otherwise, before writing, keep the query in brain. What is that? Select star from project where what is this? Where team size between 10, 20 and pros name like O percentile. Yeah, in Spring Security also we apply a lot of method chaining here. Method chaining is very beautiful concept here. I hope you are enjoying that method chaining now. Right, let it be. Practice is required, boss. Practice is required. 121, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kema, not Kema. See the query, boss. Where between is there and end is there. Between is there and end is there. Both are there. Settled, nada. 126, right star. Right star. Okay, select star. Fine. Okay, now let me give same query here also. Let me give same query here also. Where is that? Where is that? Here also. Select star from project. Where location in Hyderabad. Next Delhi. Next Vizag. Okay, I'm giving SQL query, please. I'm giving SQL. I'm not giving HQL. Please remember. I'm giving SQL, my dear. I'm giving irrelevant SQL. Milind, I'm giving equivalent SQL, not the HQL. Order by descending. Order by pros name descending. Order by pros name descending order. Okay, na guys? Okay, you practice some permutation and combinations. You please practice some permutation and combinations. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm saying. I'm not just teaching Hibernate. I'm teaching Hibernate with the JPA. I hope you are understanding. We are learning a lot of concepts of JPA also. Don't forget that. JPA QBC. Yeah, assignment. Okay, fine. Let's take some assignment. Uh, get project details whose name is having 3 characters. Get project details whose name is having just 3 characters. That's it. That is my assignment. Yeah, write the query. Actually, APA will generate it. APA will generate. Don't worry. This time select query will be generated APA, but that APA also internally takes the support of dialect. Okay. Yeah, some people are logging with your name. They don't log in with your name tomorrow onwards. Don't worry. JPA QBC with condition. JPA QBC with condition. Get to project details who are having whose names are having 3 characters. That's the one assignment. Get to project details get projects details, who are having highest team size, who are having highest team size, who are having highest team size. Thank you guys. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed today's session. Practice is required. AKU internationalization is covered in Spring Core module, Spring MVC module. Understanding my point? Internationalized means labels will change. Date formats, currency format, number formats will change based on the language we have chosen. Based on the language we have chosen. Come on. Right. So tomorrow we have regular class. Regarding Sunday's class, I will talk this. Sachin Havaldara. Okay, I think November 25th is the 22 last date of your batch. November 15th, 15 to 20. Okay. Sir, when association mapping starts, sir, in the flow it will come na, sir. You are not liking criteria API, I should stop teaching remaining all topics. I should stop teaching or remaining all topics. People ask some irritating questions. So as of now, no plan on Sunday, only regular classes are there. If anything is there, I will let you know tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice time. Fine. Today, I try to simplify as much I can, but from your side also practice is required. Thank you. Have a nice time.